Disclaimer: we cannot guarantee that the information on this video is 100% correct. Vivo upcoming mobiles top 5. Number 1, Vivo Z1. Expected launch date August 25, 2018. OS Android V8.1 Oreo. Chipset Snapdragon 660. RAM 4 GB. Display 6.28 inches Full HD. Face unlock. Fingerprint scanner. Rear camera. Dual rear camera 13MP plus 2MP. Front camera 12MP. Storage. Internal storage 64 GB. Battery 3260 mAh battery. Number 2. Vivo Xplay 7. OS Android V7.1 Nougat. Chipset Snapdragon 835. RAM 6 GB. Display 5.7 inches Full HD. Fingerprint scanner. Camera dual. Rear camera 16MP plus 13MP. Dual. Front camera 20MP plus 8MP. Storage. Internal storage 128 GB. Battery 3500 mAh battery. Quick charging. Number 3. Vivo X11. Expected launch date August 29, 2018. OS Android V7.0 Nougat. Chipset Snapdragon 660. RAM 6 GB. Display 5.5 inches Full HD. Fingerprint scanner. Front camera. Rear camera 16MP. Dual. Front camera 20MP plus 8MP. Storage. Internal storage 128 GB. Battery 4500 mAh battery. Number 4. Vivo X20. Expected launch date August 30, 2018. OS Android V7 1 Nougat. Chipset Snapdragon 660. RAM 4 GB. Display 6.01 inches Full HD. Fingerprint scanner. Rear camera dual. Rear camera 24MP plus 5MP. Front camera 24MP. Storage. Internal storage 64 GB. Battery 3245 mAh battery. Quick charging. Number 5. Vivo X21i. OS Android V8.1 Oreo. Chipset MediaTek Helio Page 60. RAM 6 GB. Display 6.28 inches Full HD. Face unlock. Fingerprint scanner. Rear camera dual. Rear camera 12MP plus 5MP. Front camera 24MP. Storage. Internal storage 64 GB. Battery 3245 mAh battery. Quick charging.